So the thing almost there. It is almost here. The start of the greatest show on earth is now days away. In fact, 10 days away. And I mentioned Argentina and the Messi legacy already. I looked at Brazil and their mission of revenge. But let me say this. All emotions and biases aside, the team to beat in Russia 2018 will be the very same defending champions Germany. The fact that the World Cup will be held on the European continent cannot be ignored or underestimated. I said it already and I'm going to say it again. The only non-European team in World Cup history to win the title in Europe was the 1958 Brazil team with a 17-year-old Pele back in Sweden. That was 60 years and 14 World Cup tournaments ago. So all these years since, of several top non-European players playing their club football in Europe, still, in 6 decades, no non-European teams have managed to win the World Cup in Europe. That piece of history will be definitely favoring the teams like Germany, France, and Spain. And for me, Germany being the team with the most championship medal, and the players and the coach who have been there and done that. So while Germany lost their latest warm-up match against Austria, don't make the Germany team fool enough. When the World Cup tournament itself starts, these human Germans will be transformed into tournament-winning robots. And any team that beats and knocks Germany out of the tournament should and will win the World Cup. And if everything plays true to form, it should be a Germany-Brazil final.